Imagine a world where the laws of drone physics no longer apply, where a machine smaller than your palm defies gravity, evades obstacles with surgical precision, and captures cinema-grade cinematic shots without a human hand ever touching a controller. For months, leaked schematics, hidden patents, and quiet supply chain whispers have pointed to one single project built to destroy every expectation we have ever had about personal flight. You think you know what lightweight drones are capable of doing, but what DJI has quietly engineered behind closed doors is about to rewrite the entire playbook for content creators across the globe. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the DJI Neo 3, a technological leap so drastic, so aggressive, and so quietly revolutionary that it makes everything else on the market look like an ancient artifact. If you value your time, your money, and your edge as a creator, pay very close attention to every single detail unfold, because the future of autonomous flight has officially arrived, and it looks nothing like what you were promised. When the original Neo hit the sky, it was praised for its simplicity, but slammed by power users who wanted more range, cleaner sensors, and a body that could survive real-world wind without tossing itself into the nearest tree. Engineers at DJI did not just patch those bugs for this iteration. They went back to the drawing board to build a micro-platform from the absolute ground up. The fuselage now utilizes an ultra-light carbon composite mesh frame that completely replaces standard high-impact plastics, cutting deadweight while dramatically boosting structural integrity. This allows the internal motor bays to house high torque, brushless micro-actuators capable of pushing past 40 miles per hour in mid-flight bursts. Every line on this body has been sculpted in a high-velocity wind tunnel to minimize drag, ensuring that wind resistance is no longer the Achilles heel of ultra-compact flight. You are looking at a chassis designed not just to float in quiet parks, but to race through gusty mountain passes and aggressive urban corridors without missing a beat. Let's talk about the visual powerhouse sitting directly on the nose of this micro beast. For years, small drones sacrificed image quality due to thermal throttling and sensor size limitations, forcing creators to choose between portability and high dynamic range. That trade-off ends today because the DJI Neo 3 integrates a custom-designed 1-inch stack CMOS sensor paired with a glass-molded wide aperture lens system. This setup captures massive amounts of raw light, driving clean low-light performance that was previously reserved for massive commercial rigs. Imagine soaring through a dimly lit city street at dusk, capturing deep indigo skies alongside glaring neon signs without a single speck of digital noise destroying your shadows. The color science has been tuned to handle extreme highlights and dense shadows simultaneously, giving you natural skin tones, deep contrast, and vivid colors straight out of the camera without forcing you into hours of color grading. Behind that glass lies a completely overhauled image processor capable of pushing 10-bit color depth at full cinematic frame rates. The Neo 3 records natively in pristine 4K ultra-high definition at up to 120 frames per second, unlocking hyper-smooth slow-motion shots that turn mundane movements into epic cinematic masterclass moments. If you switch to vertical capture modes, the physical sensor shifts dynamically inside its micro-housing to utilize the full pixel area, giving you native 9:16 video for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts without cropping or sacrificing resolution. Every frame is buffered through an ultra-fast internal memory pipeline, eliminating dropped frames and ensuring that your high bitrate video streams remain crisp, clear, and perfectly stabilized regardless of how fast you move. Stabilization on a drone, this small used to mean jittery horizon lines and digital warp artifacts around the edges of your frame. But those days are officially behind us. DJI has implemented a hybrid mechanical and algorithmic system called Rocksteady 4.0, paired with a physical 3-axis mechanical micro-gimbal. The gimbal itself is suspended on silicone vibration dampers that absorb micro-jitter from high-speed propeller rotations before it ever touches the sensor. Meanwhile, the stabilization algorithms run millions of calculations per second, compensating for sudden wind gusts, sudden bank turns, and violent directional changes. The result is video footage that looks like it was captured on a heavy, cinematic dolly gliding along a velvet track, completely immune to the turbulence outside the lens. Power management has always been the dark cloud hanging over ultra-portable drones, forcing pilots to land every 8 to 10 minutes to swap out drained batteries. The Neo 3 completely flips this dynamic by introducing solid-state density battery cells that pack 50% more milliamp hours into the exact same physical footprint. Combined with an intelligent power management chip that calculates motor draw based on real-time wind resistance, this drone achieves an incredible real-world flight time of up to 32 minutes on a single charge. That means you can launch, capture your entire sequence, perform complex tracking maneuvers, and return to home without ever feeling the anxiety of a flashing red battery icon cutting your vision short. Charging those advanced cells is equally effortless thanks to the updated multi-battery hub featuring high-wattage reverse power delivery. You can juice 3 batteries back to full capacity in under 40 minutes using standard USB power delivery protocols, or use the hub itself as a high-capacity power bank to charge your smartphone, microphone transmitter, or controller while out in the field. This level of power efficiency makes spontaneous travel shoots a breeze, freeing you from the wall outlet and letting you focus entirely on getting a shot. Flight autonomy is where the DJI Neo 3 transitions from a simple camera platform into an artificial intelligence powerhouse. Mounted around the perimeter of the airframe are next-generation, ultra-wide-angle vision sensors that feed raw spatial data into an onboard neural processing unit. This system generates a real-time, three-dimensional map of your surroundings, identifying power lines, thin tree branches, glass windows, and moving vehicles up to 30 meters away. Whether you're flying forward, backward, or laterally through a dense forest, the flight controller actively reroutes the drone around obstacles in real time, executing smooth, natural avoidance maneuvers without jerking the camera or pausing your shot. The tracking capabilities have reached a level of sophistication that feels almost supernatural. Powered by ActiveTrack 6.0, the Neo 3 does not just follow a target. It predicts human movement, athletic trajectory, and vehicle speed. If you're sprinting down a mountain bike trail, the drone holds your position in the frame while dynamically adjusting its altitude to avoid hanging branches above and rocks below. Even if you pass briefly behind a dense patch of trees or a highway overpass, the visual engine retains your skeletal profile, instantly reacquiring lock the second you re-emerge into view. You can set the drone to circle you at variable radiuses, perform high-speed chase shots, or hold a static position like an automated tripod floating in thin air. For creators who hate lugging around massive remote controllers, tablets, and cable connectors, the palm launch and control mechanics have been refined to perfection. Simply hold the drone in the open palm of your hand, look into the lens, and tap the top-mounted flight mode button. The internal camera scans your facial features, confirms lock with a subtle chime, spins its protected props to life, and lifts smoothly off your hand into a rock-steady hover. From there, gesture control takes over completely. A wave of your hand directs it to pull back for an expansive wide shot. A simple wrist turn commands it to orbit, and bringing your hand back underneath signals the drone to descend gently and dock effortlessly on your palm.